video for you guys. Now this one is a very special video. It's about your well-being. It's about your mental well-being, your spiritual well-being and your physical well-being. Now well-being is not just about physical well-being, going to the gym, working out. It's about total holistic well-being. And for such a thing, on this International Yoga Day, I'm going to give you 3 top Indian developer apps for yoga and holistic wellness. Now these apps are available on the Apple App Store. You can download them, you can put it on your iPhone, and also these apps support Apple Watch. So you will also see those apps on your Apple Watch. Now we'll take you through all 3 apps one by one and show you what all features they have. So let's go ahead and check these out. So now let's check out the first app, which is the Ayurhythm app.
Ayurhythm is an holistic wellness mobile app. It works on the principles of ancient Ayurvedic method of pulse diagnosis for health assessment that can understand individual strength, metabolism and emotional state. This is done by assessing one's vital sign using photoplethysmography method through mobile phone camera, recording blood oxygen and recommending personalized yoga, breathing exercises, food and meditation. It has 4 pending patents and is endorsed by Ayurvedic community for wellness. Ayurhythm has digitized its entire process through a 30-second finger photoplethysmography test that can measure imbalance. Currently, the application integrates with iPhone camera and Apple Health Kit. The future version will integrate with Apple Watch, AirPods, Apple Pay, CareKit, and Siri. What I really love about the app is that it offers home remedies for absolutely anything related to the human body.
Now next up is the Prayoga app, which gives you all the postures, all the asanas, has video tutorials for you to better understand the postures and do it better. One great thing about this app is the augmented reality features that make full use of the iPhone 11 Pro or 11 series capabilities as an augmented reality smartphone. When you're doing yoga, you can just click on the AR mode and it tells you if your posture is correct, if you're doing it right, and that really comes in handy.
Prayoga is a brand new way of learning yoga. An iOS exclusive app, Prayoga uses body tracking technology along with machine learning to understand how you're performing a pose and in real time give you feedback to get a perfect pose. The app also includes 3D models of the instructor that can be placed in your living room to learn more about each pose. Once you select an asana, you get to view the instructor performing the asana in traditional 2D video format. You also have an option to put the 3D model of the instructor in your own living room, walk around and see how to achieve that perfect pose. You can then place your phone on a table and follow the audio instructions. Prayoga uses air body tracking to understand several joints in your body to tell you exactly where you're going wrong with the pose and helps you correct it immediately. Once the pose is finished, you are evaluated and given a score to keep track of that asana.
And the last app for today is the Yogify app, which again gives you a lot of trainers, a lot of features, a lot of yoga training modes. But the best part about it is that you can select what all trainers do you want to learn from. So there are a lot of integrated features in this app that teaches from beginner level to somebody who's really advanced in yoga and has all the video tutorials in it.
Yogafy is a smart and personalized yoga gadget and app that delivers personalized yoga programs, instant therapy sessions anytime, anywhere, and tracks the progress of every individual's own journey from physical fitness to inner happiness. Yogafy's patented technology automatically tracks yoga postures, provides real-time correctional feedback, tracks body vitals, and seamlessly works with third-party apps and wearables. Talking about the key features of the Yogafy app, it includes 25 premium yoga programs curated by certified yoga trainers from India and USA. It has step-by-step audio instruction in the voice of your favorite teacher or AI assistant. It has real-time posture feedback. Also has post-session performance assessment, flexibility, strength, balance and alignment. It has community gratification with leaderboard. You can also live stream and enjoy offline sessions. It also supports Apple Watch integration with Health Data to Health Kit.
So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed our suggestions of apps on the Apple App Store that really help you. Now these apps were by Indian app developers. If you have any suggestions or any apps that you want to list out, please leave them in the comment section below, or you can tweet to us at the Unbiased Blog or at the Nikhil Chawla. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay fit, stay healthy. Take care. Bye-bye.